another one. 2 and another one. 3. That's me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 1, number 5, 'cause we're the Numberroblox. Oh no. Okay. Okay, everyone. I brought you here to figure out the 90 friends. First, we have to start with 91. 90 plus 1 equals... Hello, everyone. I am 91. And I'm 90 and 1. What can you also be? I'm a step squad too. But you don't look like a step squad. It's because I haven't got into my form yet. Body out of it. Boom! I am the 13th step squad. I'm 1 to 13. Whoa. That's cool. But we need to find a magic mirror to get 90 and 1 back. Luckily, I have one in my pocket. Oh, not this again. Wait. I have no more. No! Oh, 1 spawn. What? Hash hash. Okay. Now, next I need 2. 90 plus 2 equals... Hi guys, I am 92. Do we get to know more about you? No. So, yay! Now let's go. Yeah. Now we need 3. 90 plus 3 equals... Hello guys, I'm 93 and I'm in the circus of 3s. Can you turn into your 3 ray? No, but I can turn in my 30 ray. I'm 31 by 3, which also means I'm 3 calendars. Whoop, whoop. Yay, her 3 calendars. Whoop. Yeah. Now let's get into my 31 by 3 form. Oh no, I'm too tall for the magic mirror. Oh, never mind. What? Yay! Minutes 90 plus 4 equals 94. And I'm not part of the family 4s. Although I'm not connected. No! Okay, now I'm connected. I am 94 and I love the party. Shut up! Okay. Wow. Now it's me. High five. 90 plus 5 equals 95. Hi guys, I'm 95. High five, everyone. Whoa. I am 19 times 5, which means I love making crazy shapes. And I'm also in the family of 5s. And I love to drive too. Wow. Now it's time to play some games. 90 plus 6 equals 96. I am 96. Wait, hold on. I am 96 and I'm a super A. Ooh, like me. But you don't look very Octoblock. Yeah. I'm 12 8. No, that's more like it. Octoblock. Wow. Yay. Boop, 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 boop. My turn. Wait, I forgot I'm making a prime number. Hi, I'm 97 and you can't learn more about me because I'm prime. Wow. Oh wait, I accidentally deleted 7. There we go. We made 7. No me. I think I'm gonna be something special. Not the show. Hello, I'm 98. And I'm 2 squares in 1. I meant 2 squares. But you're not a square. Wait and see. 2 49s. We're both squares. Yay! 7 by 7. That's all for me. Wow. And now my partner 9. Not actually a sponsor. Yay! Hi guys, I'm 99 and I don't look like the thing 99 made because I defy physics. Oh, and I'm also 9/11s, a game of 2 hearts. I'm at 9/11s. Now time to copy myself. Wow. Why am I floating? Gravity turn back on. Yay. And now for the final one. 10, come over here. Yes, I can't wait to meet 100 again. 99. 90 plus 10 equals what? 100. Oh my goodness. 100. Hello. 100 is back. Yay. Hello, little one. I'm so glad you're here too. Yes. I love you. Now time to copy myself. Oh wait, I forgot what gravity is on. That means JK, I didn't die. And there you have it, the complete set to 91 to 100. I made a clone of myself. Come on, one. Let's go home. Yes. New adventures, here we come, come.